What is Ramadan?
Ramadan is the month of mercy. Ramadan is the month of fasting. Ramadan is the month of giving and helping those in need. Ramadan is the month of the Qur'an, the month in which it first came down. Ramadan is the month of patience. Ramadan is the month of sacrifice. Ramadan is the month of praying in the mosque for Tarawih. Ramadan is such a fruitful month for gaining lots of hasanat. Fasting, forgiving, Ramadan, for praying, be patient, Ramadan, forgiving, and feeding, Ramadan, we love you, oh Ramadan.
Who can fast during the month of Ramadan? It is obligatory for both men and women who got the maturity to fast in Ramadan. And for the children, it is not must, but they can practice and have fun with fasting if their health condition is good enough. What should we do in Ramadan?
During Ramadan, we fast from Fajr to Maghrib for 29 or 30 days.
For the children, as fasting is not must for them, they can eat, drink, play, and can go to school. And they can do the following works to seek the mercy of Almighty Allah.
We read Qur'an, yes. We pray a lot, yes. We help the poor, yes. Increase our faith, yes.
Things shouldn't to do in Ramadan.
When we fast, we not only keep away from food and drink, we also keep our tongues clean by not raising our voice, swearing, or becoming angry. We also keep our minds pure by remembering Allah and avoiding bad thoughts. Fasting brings us closer to Allah and increases our faith by ridding us from bad habits and replacing them with good manners and practices.
11. Feed the needy and give lots of charity.
12. Try to continue all these things after Ramadan.